What do you see in the picture? Do the animals in the picture help us in any way? A farmer had a faithful dog called Billu. He was very old and had lost almost all his teeth. One day, the farmer told his wife, I will throw Billu out tomorrow. He is of no use to us. Please don't let the poor creature live here. He has served us since he was a pup. But he is too old to do anything now. The thieves aren't scared of him at all. Tomorrow shall be his last day with us. Billu heard what the farmer said. He was frightened. In the evening, he went to the woods. He met his best friend, the fox. He told the fox what was going to happen. Don't worry, I have got an idea. The fox shared the idea with Billu. What would be the fox's idea? Next day, early in the morning, the farmer went to the field with his wife. They took their baby with them. They laid the baby in the shade of a tree. While they worked, the old dog stood near the baby watching it. Suddenly, the fox came out of the bush. It ran towards the baby. It jumped at the baby. Help, help, save my child. Oh my God. Billu attacked the fox and saved the baby. Billu is our dear dog. I was stupid to think of throwing him out. Thank God Billu saved our child. Dear, let's go home and give our Billu a good dinner. The farmer patted Billu affectionately. The mother was very happy to get her baby back. The whole family lived together happily.